Welcome guys to Gaming Bros. Today we are gonna be making a video about Beast One, putting in some codes and farming up. So let's go.
A code that you should always use. 1M favorite.
This is a code.
But since you have already put it in, there's no need to redeem.
If you put it in, it's like this.
I put in the code Cognite.
Cognite. It's called Cog.
Nice.
Cog. I forgot what this gives you, but it gives you something good. There's one called Ming. Wow, I spelled no. Ming. Mama Moons. If you haven't gotten that one in, it gives you some other stuff. I already redeemed it.
Put in the code that gives you some tickets. Wax.
Yeah, wax.
Case helpers.
There's roof. If you haven't entered roof yet.
Entered roof.
Okay. There is let's just go.
Yay!
There's gonna be some more codes in.
I can finally buy the
backpack
he had.
Right now? Oh, not yet. The last time I saw you had only 500,000. You've been working way up there. I see. You have 1,002,000 now. Time to go farm up. I need a code that whatever. I'm just gonna go collect my thing. The blue flower field, my boost.
FBI open up.
When I collect it, I'm gonna do one more code.
FBI open up.
Great.
Make my honey.
I'm trying to do something right here.
My honey slaves.
Wow.
Yeah, my honey.
Oh my, wrong place. Okay. Let's see what we get.
I can't get
Pine tree. Okay.
Buff. Puffs.
Okay, there is another code. It's called Pumpkin. I don't know if this.
Pumpkin of Justice.
It's spelled Pumpkin
of Justice. And I haven't entered that code.
Justice. J-U.
I need to go to the pumpkin pack.
Wait. Let me just remember. This I think. Just dice. Yeah, I spelled it right. Pumpkin of Justice.
Oof.
It gives you 7 times buff for a pumpkin field,
which is useful for noobs.
Yeah, if you have trouble farming up, that would definitely help you so much. Good job. Come farm with me, quit singing that. I don't like that song right now. I'm busy. What?
I have the Potter Hive, guys. Just got the Potter Hive.
Cool. I wish I could just instantly destroy this field. Like all the other pros that are way better than you. You get me?
Where are you?
We're gonna be entering another code, so I'm gonna see you when I'm filled my bag up. Okay, we are back. We finally filled our backpack.
And I got the Potter Hive.
Everyone knows already. You didn't. Okay, and apparently, yeah, I think Pumpkin of Justice got removed.
I'm just stupid. I walked right off.
I just checked it with my brother, so I think it got removed, and maybe we didn't spell it right. I'm gonna check when I edit the video, so I'm gonna recorrect myself where I did that. So this other code is, what's the code? Just wait for me, I need to go find it. Okay guys, there is a code. It's called Red Cat B. I think that's it. What? Ah, it's Red Cat B. Red spell Red Cat B.
There you go.
Yay.
Oof. Let me try
Well,
club
clock
powder.
buff,
I don't
pine,
think club powder works anymore.
mushroom field. So I'll see you back again. Goodbye. There is another code. It is
Gravy goodies.
Gravy Goodies.
From Gravy Catman.
Goodies.
He's a Catman.
When did this one come out? I don't know why I don't have it though. Ow, that was so loud. No, I typed it in, not like a code. Gravy
Goodies.
Good.
I'm gonna take the gravy cat. Gonna take the goodies from Gravy Catman.
It gives Stompfield buff. Oh my god.
Stormfield.
Stompfield.
They said storm like I'm
Okay. One sun sample. I think they removed it or something. One is Rob Z Rampage. Let's see, Rob Z Rampage. Where is it? Oh my goodness, this would be way much easier. PAD. Oh yeah. Stompfield and more. Panda Bear more. False Clock. Dude, 10. Oh my god.
How'd you come to Panda?
I entered the code Rob Z Rampage.
Didn't give me a panda.
Did you? You sure? Go. Come on out. Time for you to die. I need a rage token. Yeah. There. I bet I won't even kill this in time. I'm so weak.
Weak.
My pets aren't high enough level yet. They need to be probably level 11 or 10 to take this down faster.
Your whole life.
Yeah. Well, it's going down faster than last time at least.
You do 6? Defeat King Beetle, I do.
It depends.
Defeat King Beetle.
Let me go and defeat him then.
Pause.
It is play. What are you talking about?
Really? Then it's me, so I'm playing with more.
I know you. No, shut up.
No, more.
Yeah, because we don't know him more in real life. Do not shush. Sometimes I lost my mojo with killing this.
Yeah, I want to kill it. It gives you 1 million honey.
It doesn't.
Yeah, it does. Give him one. Thinks he had 1 million honey.
Vicious Bee left.
How do you know?
Because it said so.
Left?
Yeah.
Why?
No one was attacking it.
Like,
Got super mad. And then just went all supersonic and
like,
left.
I'm not doing this. Most of Sonic days.
I like the way that when you don't do something while
Merry Christmas! Another idea.
I'm starting to get touched. See, I'm starting to lose my mojo.
You know what I should do for Christmas? Play FIFA because it's snow.
That's what I'm going to do. That's what I was thinking anyway. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
And the
At
funniest.
the wrong.
Zah!
Die, big boy. Hit me. Hit me if you can. Oh, yeah. 1 million, boy. Exclusive extra content. Royal jelly. What?
I want to beat the king beetle now.
Oil gave me magic beans and trees, moon charms, some royal jelly. And that's what I just got.
Oh, wait, what's that thing?
What? What thing?
Shocked bee jelly.
Yeah, I entered a code. I forgot what it was.
I want a shocked bee. What is a shocked bee?
There's also a code. It's called
Gummy sausage. Mayruchi.
How do you spell that then?
M-A-Y
Uh-huh.
R-U treats.
Oh. And 5G spider field. Yeah, I need some white pollen anyway. So thanks, people. Sometimes I think that how can I put this right now? What are you doing?
Me?
Yes, you. What you drop? Who do you think I'm talking to? Huh?
Me?
Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. What you drop? Oh. Now shush.
No, he's fetching water in his face.
Shut up. Need some white pollen. Drop some goo. Drop some of this goo. Drop one. No, I don't want to use stinger. Get out of here. You trash. Do. No, you get out of here. This is my stuff. No stinger. Gee.
My tablet died.
I'm trying to save
so
up to 500 like legit. Well, I wish I had Robux.
500 what?
500 tickets to get a photon bee.
You can't get no photon bee.
Says who?
What tickets do you have then?
100 something. I said I'm trying to save up. And I said if I had Robux, it would be way more easier. If I had saved up and not bought my cleansing bees, I would have enough. But I had to be stupid and buy them, but whatever. Stop it. Magic bean. Let's spawn a magic bean. No one come to this. I usually spawn it on mountain top. Cause barely no one goes there. No, like what I mean by barely no one goes there is like
Noobs.
yeah, the noobs can't go there.
Like the noobs.
Look at this guy. No, messing everything up. Stupid. Oh yeah. Speak. Look, collecting everything I just did. All my hard work going to this noobs. Look at them. Both of them are here. Look at all my hard work for this. The code that I use. Gotta go to race. My backpack's almost full. This code is actually legit. The code I just did. It's actually way better than I thought it would be. But if I'm trying to save up for that the new Dipper. And I'm so close. I think I saved up to like 15 million now. I got 50 million today because I just
You filled up the backpack? Seriously?
I know, it's that quick. Well, I don't care. It's one at least. 40 million. I'm gonna try to save up now. This is legit.
Jojo, you need 60 more million.
I know. Don't remind me. I'm going to think of it as get 1 more million to 10 million. That's what I think about it, like that.
You know what you do?
What?
I make it even if you need 1 million. Equals 100 mil.
Well, I don't know how that would do anything.
Okay, each 100,000 is a million.
Me to fill my backpack, I think I get like 1 million honey. Oh yeah, that was so much.
Thousands. Yes.
Ignore the noises. I'm gonna put a music to block it anyway. Meet you when my bag is full again. Okay guys, that's all the code I have for now, so we'll see you later on the Gaming Bros.